In today's video, I am going to be talking through how to manage your resource requests. So resource requests is a workflow process within Tempus that allows a resource manager to take action on an assignment. So whenever their resource is planned to a project, they have the ability to do one of a few things. They can approve it, they can reject it, they can delegate it, or they can reassign those requests. There is the ability to use Scribe within resource requests to chat, and you can also view and update assignment attributes within the resource request area. Navigating into my Tempus demo environment, today I'm going to be walking through again how to take action on those resource requests. So I have set this up to where I am a resource manager for a select group of resources. And whenever any of those resources are assigned to projects, I get a notification within this resource requests area to take action. So when I click into here, I can see that I have 4 pending requests. This is a screen within Tempus that you can customize the way that it looks. You can filter, pull in columns, group by, as well as create different views if you would find that helpful. Very similar to project management and resource management as well. So within this screen, I can see some basic information about each of these different requests. You can take action on multiple requests within here if you would like to. So you can select multiple and choose whether you want to approve, delegate, or reject these requests. In this case, I think that all looks good, so I will go ahead and approve those. Those are now out of my pending queue. If you would like to see more information on one of these requests, you can click into it, and this is the screen that I see. I can see some information up here at the top as to who this was requested by, for what resource, what project, and what task. I can see the plan type, start and end dates. This next area here, I can see assignment attributes. So this can be used as a view only state of this assignment attribute. So the role on project in this case, this is just a scenario here as IT project manager. As the resource manager though, I can actually click into these assignment attributes and make updates if I want. So I'm actually going to say, no, this resource is going to be working as an IT consultant, and I can save that. And that will be routed back to that assignment that you can see in other areas of Tempus. Down here at the bottom, you can see more details on that individual assignment. So again, Matthew Walker was assigned, in this case, I've got the monthly level. I'm looking at this in time, but you can feel free to toggle between these options, whatever makes the most sense. You do have the ability to partially approve a request as well. So maybe if you only want to approve the first 3 months and you want to leave the rest of the months pending, you do have the ability to do so with this partial approval option here. And then down at the bottom, in this area that is called net availability, I can see all of the additional resources that I am assigned as their resource manager. So if for any reason I want to explore maybe somebody else taking on this work rather than Matthew Walker, I can select them within this list and do a replacement and say, this person, in this case Austin, will take on this work rather than Matthew. I'm not going to walk through that today. I just wanted to kind of point out that that is an option. So up here at the top is where you will actually make your decision, whether you want to approve, delegate, or reject. If you were to delegate this request, it would allow you to pick from the list of other resource managers within your environment to then send this request over to, and then they can take action on it. If you were to reject this, you have the option to clear the allocation on reject. So what this would do is, if I were to reject this request, it would zero out this assignment. Matthew Walker would no longer be assigned on this project and task. It would be cleared out. That's one option if you choose to clear it. If you do not choose to clear it, that assignment would remain on the project. It would just show up as rejected. So that is a choice that you can make. Last thing I want to show is over on the top right-hand side, we do have Scribe available within resource requests as well. So you can send a message to maybe the requester or maybe another resource manager. You can type out that message, you can tag them, and then they will be able to chat with you within this request. If you have any additional questions, please let us know. Thank you so much.